Can you get it? All right, that's okay. Come on out. So did the light turn off?
No.
So do you think it turns off?
It turns off whenever it's closed.
But do you think so are you sure? Open it. But the light's on now. So how do you know? Ah, so what closes it then? What makes it close? What part of the refrigerator hits it? Show me. Let me see. I can't see, you're in the way. Let me see, get out of the way. Where?
This part is, it's this, and it turns off.
Let me see, show me again. What part?
This part,
Uh-huh.
it's that part, and it turns off.
So you tried to fit in the refrigerator and you didn't fit, huh?
Yeah.
Can you try again? Nope, not gonna make it. Alright, come on up. Close the refrigerator.
I was kicking that so it would turn off.
You're smart. Love you.
Love you too, Dad.